What's up, folks? So today I'm opening up a second DJI action 4 camera, specifically because we're getting so much use out the first. It's caused a bit of a problem. We've been using it for diving, and with two people, one camera, it's kind of problematic. Picked up another. Oops, didn't mean to order two of these. Yikes. Oh, 256 SD card. Make sure you get A2, has to be fast enough to save all those megabits per second, which I think is like 30 or 50 at least, for this camera. So it is waterproof by default, but you want to make sure to get a waterproof case if you care about it, in my opinion. Let's get this open. Lovely. Got a lot of DJI technology. 4 drones with them. One of them they gave to me for free, actually. Good company as far as standing behind their products, which is important. It's not something you typically see today. Second to that, the technology is actually good. So that's the most important part to me, is just making sure you're getting the right equipment, especially when you're spending this money. What is that? Came with a wee stand. Get this out and get this charged. You want to make sure to pick up more batteries. We've not done that yet, but we will be. Oh, that's so nice and clean. Open up one of these. Very easy to use. I had an older GoPro, I'm not sure what it was, but quality is nowhere near this. And I had a waterproof case, but it was like busted my nails every time I tried to put a camera in it. This nice sweet clamp action. See, it's got nice big gaskets. The buttons also still work. So this lets you cycle power and cycle between video, photo, time lapse, and obviously you can take your picture. It has 2 screens on it, which is actually more handy than you'd think. Even if you're not someone that typically record selfies, imagine yourself doing that. There is maybe situations where you want to frame a picture where it does make sense. Let's see if we can get this on. Oh, this one's totally dead. So my one came in with, the rubber one I ordered came in with a charge. This one doesn't have a charge. Oh, you know what it is? We're missing a battery. Accessories. Beautiful. So she's got a nice wee hard case. Where is the damn battery? Is it all packed in here? Is that what's going on? Ah, yeah, it was packed in here. Okay, so we'll get that going. Got like a wee stand to stick on a table. Small wee battery, reminds me of an old cell phone battery, way back when they were changeable. Get that in there like so. Plug this SD card. Pop it in your battery slot. Now we should be able to turn them on. Go ahead, boot her up. Look at that. English. Activate before use, but you can skip this one time, I believe. Let's see, skip 5 times remaining. So we're going to create her an account. And there we go. That is the DJI Action 4. Fantastic wee camera, eh? I'll probably edit in some footage what I've captured with it, give you an idea what to expect. Till next time, guys.